Now let's have a look at the filter operator. So this operator will filter the values from the source observable. So when we have an observable with many values, we can apply the filter operator to get each value and then have a condition to filter the actual values. So the filter operator, it will have one of the parameters it takes, well, it only takes one parameter, and that is the predicate function. So the predicate function, it will return a boolean value, and the output will get filtered based on this boolean value. So if it's true, then that value would basically, it will be passed through. If not, then it will be blocked away. Now let's look at an example that uses the filter operator. So right over here, we're making an observable using the off function, and in this off function we have many values. So it will give us an observable out of these values, and we store this observable inside the all nums variable. Then we make a new variable called final val, and in this variable we store an observable. This observable takes in the all nums observable, and it uses the pipe operator, and the pipe operator allows us to carry out functions on this all nums observable, as I have explained before. And the operator that we're actually calling is just the filter operator inside the pipe method. And the filter is basically, it checks for each item from the as you can see, we've used the of method to make an observable, and it will take each value of these and it will check if that value is even. If it's even, it lets it pass through and it returns it, and it gets stored in the final val. Otherwise it gets blocked. So it will filter out only the even numbers from all of the values in the all nums observable. And then we can subscribe to this final val. So the all nums, the pipe method will also return an observable, as I explained before. It takes in an observable and it returns the observable. So the final val observable, we can subscribe to it at the end, and we can get the value that it emits, and we can console.log it. And as you can see, if we see the output, we can see that only the even numbers are actually console.logged.